This is White Noise. It's a very scary game. It's pretty much like Slender, but it's for the Xbox. And I don't have a cap card. I'm poor. I'm using my phone. It's really bad, but this shit is scary. It's really scary. Okay. Alright, let's see if we can do this with one hand. Alright. Okay. There should be a tape recorder in here. No, it's not there anymore. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. This game is fucked up. Slender is a pussy compared to this shit right here. I don't care which game was made first. This shit is scary as fuck. Alright. What? Don't scream. That's not right. You can't do that to me. What the fuck is that? Is that a ghost? Bitch, get the fuck out the way. Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. Whoa, 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 whoa. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Fuck you, alright? You're a dick. Scaring the shit out of me. The hell? And more screams, because I love screams, you know. Okay. There's a tape recorder. Here we go. Oh god. Just don't turn around. Just don't turn around. Just don't turn around. Just don't turn around. Fuck. I'm turning around. Oh! Run! Oh my god. Oh my god. Shut up, you little bitch. You can't run 10 steps. I don't want to play anymore, dude. I'm talking to myself. Oh, I gotta turn around. Oh, he's right there. He's right there. Run. Go. I'm so scared. I just screamed like a little girl. Oh my god. I'm playing with my arm, if you guys didn't know. This is very difficult, so that's why I'm even more scared and I can't control correctly. Okay. Okay, I've only found one. Sorry about that noise, that's my phone. But, oh, there's two. Run. He's gonna be pissed now. I'm taking his tape recorders. He invested a lot of money in that. Oh, okay, so you're a ghost. How'd you get over there so fast? You fucking cheater. Oh. What? That's not fair. Fuck you, ghost. What are you looking at? Go. Stop slowing down. Oh, yay, more mouths and shit. Come on. I don't want to be all the way over here for nothing. No tape recorders, really? Oh, okay. Okay, you win. I'm running. You win. You know what? Take me. God damn it. Slender is a pussy compared to this because in this one, this dude actually gets on you and starts like tearing you apart and shit. Okay, Slender just stares at you. This dude gets in your face. He grabs you. I mean, it's death-defying. I got, what, 2 out of 8? And I'm already soiled. Oh, okay. Okay. That's awesome. Alright. And that is White Noise, A Tale of Horror. You could download it on Xbox. I recommend it. Really good game.